Dear students, in this session we will discuss about the pros learning the game by Sachin Tendulkar. Children, do you like cricket? I think if you like cricket, you must love Sachin Tendulkar because like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar was a famous cricket player. I have shown you the mind map of the lesson here. See that Sachin started cricket at the age of 11 and got training under Ramkant Achrekar. Then he had rigorous schedule at Shivaji Park. In his first year at school, played 55 practice matches and winning the 1 rupee coin gave immense satisfaction and taught him concentration. Running 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park helped to build up physical and mental stamina. Played cricket at home with his friends. The coach dragged to the nets by his coach. The coach punished him on one occasion and bunked his daily evening practice well. Sachin owes himself to Achrekar sir. Students, now we will discuss about Sachin Tendulkar. He was born on 24 April 1973. He was an eminent cricket player and he was called as God of Cricket, and also he was known as Master Blaster. He had one brother. His name was Ajit Tendulkar and his coach name is Ramkant Achrekar. Students, now we will go into the lesson, learning the game. Learning the game is an autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar. He just loved to watch cricket on television. Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards were Sachin's favorite players. Sachin studied at New English School in Mumbai. Ramkant Achrekar sir was the cricket coach in Shardasram Vidya Mandir in Mumbai, which was the famous school in Mumbai. Ajit, Sachin's brother, took him to Achrekar to get trained well. Sachin was not able to impress Achrekar at first meet, but Sachin tried to impress Achrekar for the next time. Regarding Ajit's request, Achrekar watched Sachin's practice from hid behind the tree. For example, if we like one person, we must try to impress them by our hard work with our smart work. Like that, Sachin also practiced more to impress Achrekar. At last, Achrekar sir agreed to let Sachin join the camp. Achrekar informed Ajit that Sachin had the potential to be a good cricketer if he practiced all the year round. Children, do you like play with your street kids? I think you must like to play with your kids who are in your street. The same thing Sachin also did, but the fun of playing with friends at home made Sachin forget to go to the nets. Achrekar advised Sachin, don't waste your time playing insane games with these kids. After practice, Sachin would be exhausted by the end of the day. So he felt that the schedule of the camp was rigorous. Sachin's school did not have cricket facilities. So he was asked to change school if he wanted to pursue cricket seriously. Towards the last 15 minutes, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to Sachin with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. Then he should survive those intense 15 minutes without getting out. During the 30 minutes break, Sachin would go and have a vada pav. Vada pav is a food which is available in local shops. It's a fast food. Students, I think you also like to have fast foods which is available in local shops. Then, during the practice days, Sachin struggled more by his travelling because the conductors were often rude and would sometimes ask Sachin to buy 2 tickets. It embarrassed him in the bus. Children, do you like to come by the bus to your school because you have a school bag which contains more books which should be heavier, so that bag would contain many space in the bus. So it will be inconvenient to you and the other passengers of the bus. During that practice time, Sachin's routine was to wash his clothes as soon as he had returned from the morning session. The act with the 1 rupee coin taught Sachin how to concentrate even when physically drained, because Achrekar gave special training to Sachin Tendulkar at the last time of the day. That was, Achrekar would be placed a 1 rupee coin on a stump. Then the bowler want to bowl and out him. After all, Sachin would get the 1 rupee coin always. That proves Sachin is most concentrated and the most talented batsman in that academy. After the practices, Sachin had introduced in the Indian cricket team at his age of 16, and he had achieved more in his cricket career. After all, Sachin's means by that without Achrekar he would not be the cricketer to turn out to be. And he, dear students, in this session we will discuss about the pros learning the game by Sachin Tendulkar. Children, do you like cricket? I think if you like cricket, you must love Sachin Tendulkar, because like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar